Google employees announced the creation of a union. This is big news. That doesn't happen every day. More than 200 Google employees on Monday announced the creation of a union, a historic first at a major technology company. Now, normally, major technology companies don't really like the idea of unions too much. I guess there's probably all kinds of reasons why. Union attempts to create collective bargaining so that everyone can say, well, they can say we're going to strike, we're not going to work if this thing is not met, and we don't agree with what you do. It's power to the workers. Of course, it can go the other way as well. It can be problematic as well in certain circumstances where that group of workers may actually demand something that might not be great for the company. That's possible too. The important thing here is that it is historic and it's a big deal. However, it is only representative of 200 Google employees. That's the key. When you see the headline, it seems like a big deal. And then you see the number that are actually involved in the creation being 200. Do you know, Will, how many people work at Google? 120,000.
Oh.
120,000, and they only got 200. So it makes me a little curious about now, I don't know. I guess all things have to start somewhere.
Yeah.
But it makes me a bit curious about how appealing the idea is to the remainder of the employees, or if the employees already feel that their needs are being met and they don't want to pay dues to be a part of a union where they feel that their, whatever it might be, their salary or whatever else doesn't need any improvement as far as negotiations are concerned. So there must be a reason why up until this point, the big tech firms have been able to avoid the unionization of their employees, whether it be through salaries or other incentives. And so we'll have to wait and see how successful this particular union is. But obviously, if it gathers steam, it does have the potential to shift or alter the course of Alphabet because we haven't seen this model previously.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see. Like, it's like instant walkout. It's like, whoa.
There's 200 of us. We're not willing. It really, these things do depend to a certain extent on scale, right? It has to be disruptive to the company and to the company's ability to operate. That's where the leverage takes place. And so there's not really that, I don't think there's that much power. Maybe it depends who these 200 employees are.
Yeah.
Maybe there's not that much power currently. But again, if they can make it attractive, or if they can get high profile employees as a part of it,
grow.
I don't know. Maybe that leverage can swing a little bit. We have to wait and see. Oh, by the way, there have been some issues at Google. You had a 20,000 worker walkout that happened relatively recently over the company's handling of certain issues and events that took place regarding accusations of misconduct.
Yes.
So where are those 20,000 on the union, though? I don't know. We have to wait and see.
Yeah.